Hey guys, this is Mehdi at Choosing Options. This is a scan that I did today, which is Monday the 23rd, like 3 hours before the market closes. Let's see. I scanned the market and I came up with roughly about 140, 145 stocks tradable. Uh, you can sell options on these stocks. Um, let's see. SPX is around 80. So anything above 80, I would say probably 90 would be good. If you want to go down to 80, that's okay. I mean, try to go at least 85. If you can't find anything 80, but that's what it is. Let me just sort this for you guys with the IB down because that's what these ones are the ones that you want to trade. Zeros, no go. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, these are all sorted out. So these are all ones. Let's see. Yeah, 80. So let's go back to the top. Here we go. Take a snapshot at this page, 23, and this page, 1, 2, 3, and this page. So anything below the yellow line, you don't want to touch. All this stuff. So yeah, give it a go. Good luck and happy trading. Talk to you in the next video.